How you can make an aubergine and goat cheese tort with honey harissa sauce. Ingredients: 2 large aubergines, eggplants, sliced into 1/4 inch rounds, 8 ounces, goat cheese, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, beaten, salt and pepper to taste. For the honey harissa sauce, 3 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons harissa paste, juice of half a lemon. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190 C. 2. Put the aubergine slices on a baking sheet, sprinkle them with salt, and let them sit for about 15 minutes to draw out any excess moisture. Then pat them dry with paper towels. 3. Heat some oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Working in batches, add the aubergine slices and cook until they are golden brown on both sides, about 2 minutes per side. Remove from the pan and set aside on paper towels to drain excess oil. 4. In a bowl, mix together the goat cheese, breadcrumbs, beaten eggs, salt, and pepper. 5. Grease an oven-safe dish or springform pan with oil or butter. 6. Lay 1 layer of cooked aubergine slices at the bottom of the dish. 7. Spread half of the goat cheese mixture evenly over the first layer of aubergine slices. 8. Repeat this process for another layer of aubergines followed by remaining goat cheese mixture. 9. Finish with another layer of cooked eggplant on top. 10. Bake in preheated oven for about 25 minutes or until lightly golden brown. 11. While it bakes, prepare your honey harissa sauce by mixing honey, harissa paste, and lemon juice together in small bowl. Then set it aside. 12. Once tort is done, remove from oven. Let cool slightly before slicing and serving drizzled prepared sauce. This delicious aubergine and goat cheese tort is now ready to be served.
Forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.